Yo, welcome back to my channel. This is Kiso Timung, as you know, and also I want to tell you that we have been facing many problems while taking the footage and all, because it was, as you can see at the video, we need to climb up the rocks and all this and that. So just leave this part. And as I have written there, Kumlin and Monojit got lost. Yes, they got lost at the time. They came back after 10 minutes at the place. So, and also I want to tell you about that I didn't write any name of the waterfall because it was newly discovered last year at 2019. And also when we reached there, we asked the villagers that do they know about the name of that waterfall. So they told us that they didn't keep any name of the waterfall because it was discovered the last year 2019, means it was newly and people doesn't used to go there, visit there. So we didn't ask much, we just asked that people used to come or not, and we asked about the name. So they told us that they didn't give any name yet. So we started moving on. After that, at the ending part, I think you have seen the Kumlin and Monojit got lost. And also I think you have seen that we have been getting trouble crossing the river, going through the rocks and all, and we can barely walk at that time. And also it lies between HDP and Dellai. It is in Karbi Anglong district, as you know, is a part of Northeast. So, and also the villagers told us that there are 6 steps. That means the waterfall, they have 6 steps, and we couldn't make till the end, the last step, because we reached there around like 4:30 and it was getting dark, and we stayed there for 1 hour. So I don't have anything much to say, and I hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoy, please do like, subscribe and share. And yeah, and I want to wish you a good health and a blessing day ahead, because this coronavirus is going viral about the topics and all. So be healthy, be safe, be blessed. Peace out. Bye.